Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Bronco. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, compass, trip computer, security system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.